If you're over 60 and struggle with circulation, high blood pressure, or just feeling tired and heavy, this might be the simplest change you'll ever make. 1 clove of garlic before bed. That's it. But only if you use it the right way. Stay tuned, because this natural remedy could change your heart health more than you think. You see, as we age, something quiet starts to happen inside our bodies. Our arteries, once flexible and open, begin to stiffen. Plaque builds up. Blood doesn't flow like it used to. And while you may not feel it immediately, the warning signs are there. Colder hands and feet, fatigue, shortness of breath after climbing a few stairs. These are not just signs of getting older. They're often the early whispers of a circulatory system under pressure. And this is where garlic steps in. Not as a myth, not as a folk tale, but as a scientifically studied bioactive powerhouse. Inside every clove of garlic is a compound called allicin, and it's not present until you crush or chop the garlic. That's when the magic starts. Allicin acts like a natural vasodilator, which means it helps relax and widen your blood vessels, and that's crucial, especially after 60, when your vessels naturally start to narrow. In fact, a clinical review published in the Journal of Nutrition concluded that garlic supplementation significantly reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, especially in people over 50. That's no small thing, because even a slight reduction in blood pressure can cut your risk of stroke or heart attack by as much as 10 to 20%. But that's not all. Garlic also works to reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that contributes to plaque formation in your arteries, and at the same time, it helps raise HDL, the good kind. It even acts as a gentle blood thinner, helping to prevent clots and improve overall circulation naturally. And here's the part most people miss. The timing of garlic matters. Taken at night, especially before bed, garlic works with your body's repair systems during deep rest. That's when your blood pressure is naturally lower. That's when your system is rebalancing. Garlic doesn't just support that process, it amplifies it. Now you may be wondering, do I just eat a clove of garlic raw and call it a night? Not quite. There's a correct way to prepare and take it to maximize the allicin content, and I'll walk you through it shortly. But first, let's understand why this single compound, allicin, has been the focus of over 700 peer-reviewed studies in the past decade alone. Because once you understand how garlic affects inflammation, cholesterol, and vascular elasticity, you'll never look at this humble bulb the same way again. So, you've heard garlic is powerful. You've seen the studies. But how exactly do you use it to unclog arteries? And why does bedtime matter so much? Here's the secret. It's not just about eating garlic. It's about activating it. Raw garlic contains 2 separate compounds, allicin and an enzyme called alliinase. When you crush, chop, or chew garlic, these 2 combine and form allicin, the superstar compound responsible for garlic's healing power. But here's the catch. Allicin is extremely unstable. If you cook garlic immediately or swallow it whole, you lose most of it before it even enters your bloodstream. That's why timing is everything. To get the full cardiovascular benefit, do this. Take 1 clove of raw garlic, crush it with the flat side of a knife, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the allicin to fully activate. Then, just before bed, swallow it like a pill with a glass of water, or for a gentler option, mix the crushed garlic into a spoon of raw honey. This not only helps with taste, but adds additional anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits from the honey. Why before bed? Because nighttime is when your body enters its repair mode. Your heart rate slows, blood pressure naturally drops, and circulation stabilizes. By introducing allicin at this stage, you're essentially giving your body an overnight vascular cleanse, working with your natural rhythms, not against them. For seniors especially, this is critical. You're not just supporting circulation, you're also reducing inflammation, improving sleep quality by promoting nitric oxide release, which relaxes blood vessels, and enhancing oxygen delivery to the brain and heart during your most restorative hours. Now let's tackle a common concern. Won't I smell like garlic? Surprisingly, not as much as you'd think. Raw garlic that's swallowed whole or with honey releases far less odor than cooked or chewed garlic. Also important, if you're on blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, always check with your doctor first. Garlic naturally thins the blood, and while that's a benefit for most, it can interact with medications. But for the vast majority of people over 60, this one clove, taken the right way at the right time, could support smoother circulation, lower pressure, and reduce the silent buildup that often goes unnoticed for years. And now that you know the trick, let's look deeper at what this little bulb is actually doing inside your arteries. Because the real magic is happening at the microscopic level. Think of your arteries as the highways of your body, delivering oxygen-rich blood to your heart, brain, muscles, and every single cell. When you're young, those highways are wide open and smooth. But with age, years of stress, processed foods, sedentary habits, and oxidative damage act like potholes and traffic jams. Now imagine this. What if there was a way to not only clean those highways but also make them more flexible, efficient, and self-repairing with just one natural compound? That's exactly what garlic does. Its active compound, Allicin, doesn't just float through your system. It gets to work at the molecular level. It blocks enzymes responsible for cholesterol production in the liver, much like statin drugs do, but without the muscle pain, fatigue, or side effects some seniors experience with medication. In a study published in the journal Nutrition Research and Practice, participants over the age of 60 who consumed aged garlic extract daily saw a significant drop in total cholesterol and LDL over 12 weeks, along with reduced markers of inflammation such as C-reactive protein, CRP. Lower CRP means less silent inflammation eating away at your arteries. And when your arteries are less inflamed, they don't attract as much calcium or cholesterol to patch the damage. That means less hardening, fewer plaques, and reduced risk of clots. Here's something else many people don't realize. Most heart attacks don't happen because an artery is 100% blocked. They happen when a plaque suddenly ruptures, triggering a clot that shuts down the artery. Garlic helps reduce the stickiness of blood, preventing clots from forming in the first place, especially during nighttime when blood naturally thickens due to slower metabolism and dehydration. In simple terms, garlic makes your blood flow better, clot less and nourish more, all while you sleep. It also helps repair something called vascular endothelial dysfunction, a fancy term for when your blood vessels can't dilate properly. This condition is one of the earliest signs of heart disease, often years before a diagnosis. Garlic helps reverse it. That means improved blood pressure regulation, better oxygen delivery, and stronger circulation to your legs, brain, and heart. And remember, all of this happens without you lifting a finger. Just one small change, a clove of garlic at night, activates a cascade of benefits that work behind the scenes, gently cleaning, restoring, and strengthening your circulatory system from within. So if you've ever wondered why your legs feel heavier, why your memory seems foggier, or why your energy dips after small activities, poor circulation may be the culprit. And garlic may be your simplest, safest first step back toward vitality. Still not convinced? Wait until you hear what garlic can do beyond the heart. Because next, we're exploring the hidden benefits of garlic for your brain, your immunity, and even your ability to stay mentally sharp well into your 70s and 80s. This is where it gets exciting, and it might just change how you look at this humble little bulb forever. Garlic may be best known for its heart-healthy benefits, but what if we told you its power goes far beyond your arteries? Because garlic doesn't just cleanse blood vessels, but it also protects the command center of your body, your brain. As we age, one of the most common and frightening concerns is memory loss, difficulty recalling names, walking into rooms and forgetting why, losing track of conversations. Often we blame this on aging, but in many cases it's actually a symptom of poor blood flow to the brain, and that's something garlic can help with. In a study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry, researchers found that compounds in aged garlic extract help increase cerebral blood flow, reduce neuroinflammation, and may even protect against amyloid plaque buildup, a key marker of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Think of garlic as a natural defender of your mental clarity. It feeds your brain oxygen-rich blood. It fights off inflammation that dulls focus. And it provides key antioxidants that help preserve neurons, the very cells that allow you to remember, reason, and stay sharp. But garlic's reach doesn't stop there. It's also one of nature's most powerful immune boosters, and that's something seniors especially can't afford to ignore. With age, the immune system weakens. You're more prone to colds, infections, and even long recoveries from small illnesses. Garlic contains sulfur-based compounds that stimulate immune cells like macrophages and lymphocytes, your body's first responders. In one randomized clinical trial, participants who took garlic supplements during cold and flu season had 63% fewer sick days than those who didn't. And when they did get sick, their symptoms were milder and passed quicker. Why? Because garlic doesn't just respond to illness. It helps prevent it from taking hold in the first place. And here's where it gets even more compelling. Garlic may even support longevity by influencing your body's natural detox processes. It enhances liver enzyme function, assists in the breakdown of toxins, and reduces the burden of oxidative stress, all of which contribute to healthy aging. In fact, populations known for living long, vibrant lives, like those in Okinawa, Japan, and Ikaria, Greece, include garlic in their diets daily. Not occasionally, not when they're sick, but every single day. So whether it's protecting your brain, strengthening your immune defense, or keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine, garlic offers more than most medications combined, and it does it gently, naturally, and without a long list of side effects. What's more, all these benefits build over time. The key is consistency. Just like brushing your teeth or getting sunlight, the true power of garlic isn't in a single clove. It's in the ritual. Night after night, your body becomes more resilient, more alert, and more supported from within. But maybe the most powerful transformation of all is what garlic gives back: confidence. Confidence to move without pain, to remember without struggling, to live fully, deeply, and independently. And for seniors, that's more than a benefit, it's freedom. Now that you know what garlic can do for your heart, your brain, and your body as a whole, let's take a look at what happens when this ritual becomes a habit, through the story of one man who proved it's never too late to turn your health around. His name was Martin. At 72, Martin had resigned himself to a slower life. His days started with stiffness and ended with swelling. The walk from the living room to the kitchen left him winded. His hands and feet were always cold. His blood pressure had crept up year after year, and even though he took his meds, his doctor warned that his cholesterol and arterial plaque were a growing concern. He wasn't in crisis, but he wasn't thriving either. His body felt heavy, his mind foggy. And the worst part? He assumed it was just part of getting old. Until one evening at his daughter's house, he overheard a podcast about garlic, how one clove a night could help relax arteries, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. At first, he chuckled. Garlic. He'd used it in pasta for decades. Surely something that simple couldn't possibly undo years of decline. But something in the story stuck with him. That night he crushed a garlic clove with a spoon, let it sit on the counter, and took it with a spoonful of raw honey before bed, just to see what would happen. Nothing changed overnight, no miracle, no lightning bolt. But on the third day, he woke up and noticed something strange. His hands weren't ice cold. By the end of the first week, the swelling in his ankles was slightly reduced. 2 weeks in, he realized he wasn't gasping at the top of the stairs anymore. His energy was coming back slowly but unmistakably. But within 45 days, Martin's blood pressure dropped 12 points. His cholesterol improved. His doctor was stunned. And perhaps most importantly, his confidence returned. He started walking every morning, cooking again, sleeping deeply for the first time in years. What garlic gave him wasn't just better circulation, it was momentum. He later said, "I didn't think I had control over my body anymore. Garlic reminded me I did." Now, let's be clear. Martin didn't just eat garlic and ignore the rest of his life. He also added more vegetables, started stretching, cut back on processed food. But garlic, that was his anchor. The first tiny change that triggered everything else. And here's what makes his story powerful. It's not rare. There are thousands of seniors just like Martin, rediscovering energy, strength, and clarity from simple, consistent rituals. Garlic isn't a miracle. It's a multiplier. It amplifies what your body wants to do naturally, if only given the right tools. And for those over 60, this matters more than ever, because small changes, made consistently, create massive results. Martin's journey wasn't about shortcuts. It was about a quiet shift in how he treated his body, starting with one humble clove a night. So if you're still wondering whether it's worth trying, ask yourself this. What might happen if you gave your body just one small act of care tonight? Because sometimes the tiniest decision, the one you can make before bed right now, becomes the very thing that rewrites your next chapter. What you just discovered isn't hype. It's not a fad. And it's not something reserved for health gurus or people with perfect discipline. It's garlic, a single clove, crushed, rested, and taken before bed. That's it, and yet it supports your heart, strengthens your brain, cleanses your blood, and resets your energy, all while you sleep, not by overpowering your body, but by reminding it how to heal. The truth is, most people never experience this transformation because they overlook the small things. But now you know, it's the small things that change everything. You don't need more pills. You don't need complicated routines. You need a ritual, one that works with your body, one that's been quietly studied, quietly proven, and quietly changing lives for generations. But if garlic can do all this, what about the other natural remedies hiding in your kitchen? Because there's one vitamin, barely talked about, that many seniors are dangerously low in, and when it's missing, circulation slows, nerves tingle, and brain fog creeps in. In fact, if your legs feel numb or your feet are cold more often than not, it may have nothing to do with your age at all. Click the next video on your screen to uncover the overlooked nutrient that could restore the feeling in your limbs and the sharpness in your mind, faster than you think.